In this video, we'll walk you step by step through installation of your Starlink Performance Kit for optimal setup, network reliability, and long-term performance. Step 1. Installation location. Let's start by finding the best location for your Starlink. You'll want a clear view of the sky, free from obstructions. The Starlink app's built-in obstruction tool can help identify obstructions like hills, trees, or buildings. For best results, use the app at the exact height and location you plan to install your Starlink. When choosing the location, keep in mind that the included Starlink cable is 25 meters long. A 50-meter option is available in the shop if needed. If you are installing on a vehicle or boat, you'll want to avoid other radio frequency sources at a recommended distance of 2 meters. At checkout, you would have selected a mount. For a fixed site, we recommend a pipe adapter or wall mount. If choosing Starlink for a mobility application, we recommend a wedge mount or flat mount. Please follow the specific installation instructions that come with your mount. Step 2. Connect Starlink Performance Cable. Next, plug the Starlink Performance Cable into the Starlink. To install the Starlink cable, line up the red indicators and push to connect. You will hear a click when the cable has been locked into place. To remove the cable, unlock it by rotating it counterclockwise. Step 3. Connect to power supply, mount, and router. Route your Starlink cable from your Starlink to your advanced power supply and connect them. Each cable has a symbol that corresponds to the power supply to help you identify where it should be connected. Then plug in your power supply to either an AC or DC power source. If you're using a Starlink router, use the cable provided in your Starlink router kit. If you're plugging into a third-party router, use the provided Starlink Ethernet cable. Step 4. Getting online. Once connected, the lights on the power supply will change to indicate when you are online. Flashing white lights mean that you're getting set up. A solid white light means that you are now connected. You can confirm using the Starlink app, where you can also monitor performance and change settings. For fixed site installs, the app will let you know if the Starlink alignment needs adjustment. Congratulations! Your Starlink is now online. For more support, visit the Starlink Help Center for frequently asked questions, chat, and troubleshooting guides. Over the next hours, your Starlink will fine-tune its obstruction map to optimize performance.